Facts about ants. An ant is a small insect. There are many kinds of ants. An ant's body has three main parts: head, thorax, abdomen, and six legs. Six legs. Ants use their mouth parts to grasp food, carry their young, and fight enemies. Ants can be black, brown, rust, or gray in color. Ants use their antennas to smell, touch, taste, and hear. Ants build homes in many places. Ants live in groups called colonies. Ants eat other insects, plants, and fruits. The queen ant lays the eggs. Worker ants have many jobs. A soldier ant is a large worker ant. Ants can carry things larger than their bodies. Ants are a food source for birds, frogs, and other animals.